In this video, we will learn about speed. So an object is considered to be in motion if it changes its position over time. And in our everyday life, we describe how fast or slow something is moving on the basis of its speed. For example, a bus moving quickly has high speed while an insect crawling has a low speed. Now to understand the speed, we should understand it with some examples. Like to determine which object is moving faster or slower, we compare the distance of each object. So by comparing the distance, we can know that which object is moving faster, which object is moving slower. For example, a girl on a bicycle covers a greater distance in a given interval of time than a child walking. This means that the bicycle speed is greater. That's why the bicycle covers the greater distance than the child walking. And again, if we take another example, that is a car is faster than the motion of the cycle rickshaw. This is because the car covers the greater distance in a given interval of time as we compared it to the distance of the cycle rickshaw. So to know exactly how fast or slow an object is moving in a given interval of time, we define a term speed, and speed is defined as the distance covered by an object in a unit time, and it can be calculated by using the formula which is equals to distance upon time taken. So the formula of the speed will be equals to speed is equals to distance upon time taken. Now for the formula of speed, if the object cover a distance s and the time t and his speed is v, so the formula will be v is equals to s upon t. Now let's understand it with the example. So the first one is, if a student walks from his residence, that from his home, to a school, and he is covering a distance of 2 kilometers in half hour. So here we have the distance which is 2 kilometers and we have time that is half hour. So the speed of the student can be calculated as we know that the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. Now what we will do, we will put the values of distance and time here. Distance is 2 kilometers and time is half hour. This is 2 kilometers upon 1 by 2 hour. So now by calculating it, it will be equals to 4 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the student is 4 kilometers per hour. Now again, in another example, if a moving car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 2 hours, that we have a car, its initial position is this at 8 am and at 10 am its final position is this. It covered this distance. So they are saying that the car cover 100 kilometers in 2 hours. We have distance 100 kilometers and we have time as 2 hours. Now we have to calculate the speed. The formula will be same, that is speed is equals to distance upon time. We will put the values, that is 100 upon 2. 100 kilometers is the distance and the 2 hour is the time. We will calculate it and the answer will be equals to 50 kilometers per hour. Unit of speed. In the SI system, that is the International System of Units, we know that the distance is measured in meters, that is m, and the time is measured in seconds, that is s. Hence, the SI unit of speed is given as the SI unit of speed is equals to SI unit of distance upon SI unit of time, and the SI unit of distance is meter and the SI unit of time is seconds. So it will be equals to meter per second. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second, and it is read as meter per second, and its symbol is m per s, that is meter per second. Now in CGS system, that is centimeter grams second, the distance is measured in centimeters, that is cm, and the time is measured in seconds. Hence, the unit of speed in CGS system is centimeter per second, and its symbol is this. For vehicles like cars, trains, and airplanes, generally the distance traveled is measured in kilometers, that is km, and the time measured in hours. So therefore, the speed of sound is expressed as kilometer per hour, and its symbol is km per h. And this is basically useful for larger distances as it measures kilometers traveled in an hour. So speed is measure of how quickly an object moves, calculated by dividing the distance traveled by the time taken, and understanding the speed helps us to compare how fast different objects are moving. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.